Welcome back. So today I'm really excited because we have another Notebook LM feature that I want to try out. So I've been doing incredible presentations and I had the opportunity to share one with you all yesterday. That presentation recapped everything important that I've been covering during this 30-day daily YouTube sprint that I'm on right now. This being day 23. Okay, so we're almost there. Um, and I've really shown you how these different tools can be layered and stacked upon one another to really create unique experiences, unique lead magnets, and just different ways to multiply and amplify your own IP and ideas. So let's get back inside of Notebook so I can show you some more new cool things. Alrighty. I am going to share my screen. Perfect. So, as I mentioned on day 22, NotebookLM is one of the Google products, and you are able to upload your own sources. So, I've uploaded all of my videos, every one of the 23, 22, today will be 23, videos that I have done on YouTube thus far. So it has every transcript, it has notes on the different cover images I've used. Today, I want to use their interactive audio tool. It's a great tool if you want to practice being interviewed, but also it's a great tool if you just want to hear critiques, debates, different ways that the sources you've uploaded can be, contemplated and perceived. So it's a great way to basically create an audio podcast of the things you've loaded into the notebook. So I've done that, the audio podcast, but the tool I've never used is their interactive feature. I should be able to talk back to the podcast and make it more interactive. Okay. So
So, uh,
this is a 5-minute audio, okay? And it's already there,
I have to confess, I went into this deep dive.
Really, it's designed to move
right?
from,
So that's me just hitting play. But if I hit interactive mode, this is my first time. So we're going to experience this together.
So, I have to confess, I went into this deep dive with my guard fully up.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking at this 30-day YouTube series, Learn AI with Me, by Kim Mahaj, the Spark AHX. And usually when I see something,
Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Hey guys, my name is, oh, I have to enable my microphone. Hey guys, my name is Kima, actually.
well, hello there, Kima.
Thank you so much for chiming in.
That's wonderful to know we have you listening.
Kima, it's so great to meet you.
And thank you for the correction.
Yes, we are discussing the Learn AI with Me series by Kim Mahaj, the Spark KHX.
Now that you've introduced yourself, let me ask.
What stands out to you in the series, Kima?
Since you're joining us, maybe you could share what you think.
We were just about to dive into the core philosophy of the series,
Exactly. I was just saying how I expected a tech bro vibe.
but Mahaj's approach is truly different.
It's not about 30 days to AI mastery in a hype sense.
No, it's more about a fundamental mindset shift.
The consumer versus CEO thing, Kima,
That's the one.
that was the first thing that actually hooked me.
Her analogy is renting versus homeownership.
When you're a renter-consumer, the dishwasher breaks. You call maintenance. You're passive.
Right. But the CEO mindset, that's the homeowner.
You own the whole infrastructure.
If there's a leak, you have to know where the shutoff valve is.
It's about responsibility.
Exactly. And for anyone skeptical of the hype, I think this is the crucial entry point. Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah, it is the crucial entry point. The way you think about how you use AI makes absolutely the difference. So if you're thinking about the way we go shopping and we're just like, I want to buy a notebook for my personal use, that gets one type of decision-making process.
Absolutely, Kima. What's fascinating here is that even when you buy a notebook,
Like a physical one, pen and paper style.
she still frames that action as part of a process.
Yeah, she gives homework to write things down first.
Right. It's not just about consuming a tool.
It's about what you do with the ideas once you get them.
That's the difference between consumer use and building IP.
She talks about taking that notebook. Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
uh-huh.
It really is the difference because if you are a CEO and you're the person who is creating the notebook, you're responsible for the cost, you're responsible for how it looks, everything changes.
Kima, that is the perfect articulation of the CEO mindset.
Absolutely. You just captured the heart of the unboxing business video.
It's the difference between buying the planner and being in the print business.
You're suddenly asking, do I want to be responsible for inventory, cost, and design?
Everything changes, as you said. It's an investment, not a purchase.
And that idea of investment is why she immediately pushes you toward a tech stack.
She wants you to take that notebook idea
Flushing it out with AI tools like ChatGPT.
and then leveraging that idea into something tangible, like a presentation.
So even the personal ideas are still part of the CEO's overall strategy.
Knowledge is most valuable when understood and applied.
It's not about magic tricks. It's about building a digital infrastructure for your IP.
Okay, let's talk about that infrastructure, because you need it for that responsibility.
The tech stack, she calls it.
Because he throws a lot of tools at you.
Her tech stack, yes. And for anyone not in software, that's the combination of apps you use for a specific job.
So what's her recipe for this tech stack?
It's a workflow designed to move from chaos to order.
She starts with Perplexity, but strictly for research.
Think of it like Google on steroids that actually
Oh, back to our listener. What's up?
Yeah, I love that y'all are bringing up the different AI tools. I think it's really important to know what they all can do and then which ones are best for your business.
Kima, that is the core of her entire philosophy. Absolutely.
It's not just using a tool, but stacking the right tools for the job.
Exactly. She names her top 5: ChatGPT, Canva, NotebookLM, Base 44, and Automate Your Hustle.
It's the combination that lets you accelerate your process.
And that workflow starts, as you know, with, hey, yeah, what's up?
I heard you mention Automate Your Hustle. Can you tell me a little bit about what Automate Your Hustle actually is?
That's a great question, Kima, and a crucial part of her tech stack.
Automate Your Hustle is actually her CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System.
It's essentially a licensed version of a top-tier platform called Go High Level.
It acts as the central hub for the whole business operation.
Think of it as the tool that handles all the doing after the AI handles the thinking.
It's where she schedules content, manages email campaigns, and builds landing pages.
She mentions being able to set up automations in it.
If someone comments a keyword like GPT on a post, the CRM sends them a link automatically.
That means she could be teaching or asleep, and the system is still working for her.
It's what allows her to leverage her AI-generated IP to scale and collect revenue.
It's her tool for activating the ideas she developed with ChatGPT and NotebookLM.
So it's not just a tool, it's the digital infrastructure for her entire business.
Okay, let's look at how she uses.
Yep, go on.
Yeah, no, I think you guys nailed what Automate Your Hustle is down to a T. My question now is this: who is the ideal audience I'm speaking to? Is it going to be the people who use it or the people who want me to do it for them?
Oh yeah, no, I think you guys nailed will automate. Your hustle is down to a T. My question now is this: who is the ideal audience I'm speaking to? Is it going to be the people who use it or the people who want me to do it for them?
That is an excellent question, Kima.
That distinction, whether you sell the shovel or the gold, is exactly where Mahaj focuses her energy.
She serves both, but the language changes based on the need.
She specifically targets 2 groups we can see in her content.
First, there's the one-woman army solopreneur who needs to use the tools herself to clone her time.
They need to batch content and automate their leads.
Automate Your Hustle is perfect for them to build their own systems and save money.
But then there's the second group, the legacy builder or the executive.
They are time-poor and impact-driven.
They don't want to learn the CRM, they want the result of the system.
Mahaj herself is working toward becoming a certified consultant for Automate Your Hustle.
She is literally positioning herself to manage that infrastructure for them.
So if your client is scaling and just needs the work done, you do it for them.
If they are the solopreneur trying to cut costs, you sell them the access and teach them.
It's the difference between a service provider and an educator.
She explores both business models, Kima, which is why her approach is so strategic.
And this flexibility is essential for anyone building a serious business, regardless of the tools.
Okay, let's look at how she uses this whole system to get things done.
We already know her workflow starts with deep-sighted research.
She recommends.
Well, you guys heard it for yourself. This was my first time using that, and that was actually really cool because the 5 minute video that they produced or the 5 minute audio podcast that they produced was just a starting point. I completely interrupted it and I was able to get interviewed or ask clarifying questions. And they spotted trends, patterns. They went back to old videos that I did and wove the information better, even better than I did in some cases. I said a lot of things about Automate Your Hustle, but they brought all of them together beautifully. So again, NotebookLM is one of my favorite tools. It is a Google product. So if you haven't already, make sure that you are trying it out. That is the best way to really learn, or you need a coach and a consultant like myself who can help you. Okay, so if you need it, now they were calling me Mahaj, which is kind of cute, but it's Key Mahaj. And all of my information is available below if you would love to work with me or join my free school community, where this year we're going to master prompts, get some images generated, set our goals and hold each other accountable for what we're building. And that's a free community. So if you just want to start and dip your toe into the AI world, check out my school community. But if you're ready to go quickly and you need somebody to build it out for you while you operate in your genius zone, you can find my information for that below as well. This has been day 23. I was really excited about that new tool. I'm glad we got a chance to see it together. I hope you try it out. I hope you get a chance to practice your pitches, practice being interviewed, maybe share it, on social, and let people understand what it is that you're building. Lots of applications. The question is, if you could do anything, what would you do? How would you do it? And why? What would you do? How and why? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 24 of Learn AI with me. Bye.